These 6 commands solve the problems people ask about most, and everyone is safe to run and take seconds. Open command prompt. I'll launch it for us. 1. Check whether the internet itself is reachable. Press enter. Replies mean your connection is fine. 2. Clear the DNS cache when pages won't load. Press enter. 3. See your full network details, including your gateway. Press enter. 4. Force Windows policies to refresh immediately. Press enter. 5. Turn on fast startup so your PC boots quicker. Press enter. 6. Restart the taskbar and desktop when they freeze. Press enter, then bring it back. Restart Explorer. Press enter. Save these 6. Between them, they fix most everyday Windows problems. Follow for a Windows fix every single day.